How narcissists use silence as a weapon, silent treatment exposed. Ever had a narcissist ignore you completely, like you don't even exist? That's not just rudeness, it's intentional psychological punishment. It's called the silent treatment, and it's one of their most powerful control tactics.
Why?
Because it triggers abandonment anxiety and makes you desperate for their approval. When they suddenly withdraw affection, attention, and validation, it leaves you feeling invisible, anxious, and unworthy. And that's the goal. They want you begging for their attention, apologizing even when you did nothing wrong. It's a manipulative power move designed to put you in a position where you'll do anything to fix things. But here's the truth. Their silence is not a reflection of your worth. It's a manipulation tactic. The way to break free? Do not chase them.
Do not beg.
Ignore them back. The moment you stop reacting, they lose their power over you.